Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Now, I have reacted to this song before. One of my favorite songs from Burundi. You know, when I was growing up, we used to listen to this song on the radio. And, uh, text here. So reply that. So, we used to listen to this song on the radio all the time. And then later on, I was like, where was the song? Like, who was the artist? Because you used to listen to random music. You would think, like, some people are from South Africa. You're like, but what's that language? Or you think that they're from Namibia and all that. Like, you never think this person is from Burundi. Anyway, Kajanine is one of the biggest artists in Africa. I felt like this song, as much as we grew up listening to it in Botswana, I felt like it was an African song. Okay, so it's up there with the what's that other song that people anyway, you get the point. Let's get to it. Burundi. You've been listening to music from Burundi all along and you didn't know it and you love that music. So, Africans, let's all support music from other countries as well. I know you guys think you're supporting music from Nigeria and South Africa and that's it. But come on, everybody. There's good music all over Africa and we should immerse ourselves into it. So, if you follow us too long, you will start to get snippets of other people's music here and there. Enough with the yapping. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's get to it. Like she went viral before the word viral was even a thing. Oof, voice. Hey.
Kuna watu masikini hawali hawaombe, wanaitika tu vile wale watu naipata kama wanalala njala vile kila siku.
And I think a lot of people that I've interacted with think that language, like your original language, like you see people striving to sing music in English in order to have like a broad audience. And this was not in Burundi when she was performing this. I think she was in Denmark, Germany, one of those countries. And people are loving this song. They don't even understand what it's saying. Obviously, it's talking about hunger and all that. Like there's somebody who's sleeping with no food and stuff. Beautiful stuff. But like, look at the audience in this. Almost everybody in the audience is white, and I'm pretty sure maybe one or two people know her language or what she's saying fully. Maybe they interviewed her before the song so that people know when she says these words, what does she mean? But guys, stop singing or adopting other people's way of doing music because you are losing what you could be sharing with the rest of the world. I said enough with the yapping and then I went on here.
Kila siku wacha ile maneno ya bure,
Hey.
usijililie hali yako.
I'm like, this was like, I'm pretty sure 90s, 80s, but the aura. That's the aura she has, man. Beauty, beautiful, beautiful. I watched the song so many times, but
Angalia wale watu hawalie hawaombe, wale watu naipata kama wanalala njala.
need to give Kajanine her flowers. And she's still alive and she's still looking as beautiful as she is now. She's still, oh my goodness. Guys, we need to celebrate this thing. And I feel like, um, obviously, Africa as a continent has gone through so much pain. And I can imagine if the continent of Africa was sort of peaceful, or like, people could do work and do everything in their country without having to go outside. Like, people would have enough money, enough jobs, enough like good paying jobs in Africa. What the continent will be like with the talent that we used to have, the talent that was there. Like, you will go all over, like southern, eastern, western, northern Africa. They are legends like this. Some of them are still alive that we are, I guess, forgetting. And I know I've okay.
Wacha kabisa waza kama we haupashi jua maisha yao yuwana siye mbali yao tunaweza wasaidia kila siku yeah kila siku kila siku
Hey, the guitar as well. This guy was not messing around with that guitar. Yo, beautiful stuff, man. I keep thinking, like, who is an African artist, female artist who's doing this right now? It's like, you know, dignified, supermodel, super beautiful, super grounded as well. Like, who is that artist that we can look up to as a continent right now? Who's not scandalous, all the things going on? It's just like music that heals, music that unifies. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. I felt like I could talk about this all along. I do have a channel that I talk about political stuff and everything that is going on in the continent of Africa. And I have a feeling you might not like it. You might not like that channel, but yeah, yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are here for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. Kajanine has beautiful music, classic African music that I'm pretty sure that your favorite artist that you like right now might have taken some sort of style, some sort of rhythm from these people. These are like the templates of African music. You know what I'm